let's get it unboxed here. It actually comes in this really nice carrying case, so you can use this to store it when you're not using it. So we just unzip this. We'll show you everything that's included here. So here is the screen. Now this mounts inside of your vehicle, and here is the mount for that. So this mounts onto there. It's got a sticky pad there. You can put this in your car. You can take it off really easily by just unscrewing that there. And then this just plugs into a 12-volt socket here, which is this. So this 12-volt socket is what mounts into your 12-volt socket in your car. And then it just hooks into right here. So you actually have a really long length of cable to run that. We've got two mounting brackets. I'll show you what how these will work and where and how you can use those. There are 3 antennas included. These 2 smaller ones fit on top of the screen inside of the car, and this longer one fits onto the side of the camera. Okay, here is the actual camera itself. You see here on the top of it, this is the solar panel. So when you're not using, or even during the daytime, when sun's hitting this, it's going to recharge it. It has a tilting camera on it as well, so that way you can get the right angle. And then this is where the antenna, the longer antenna, is going to screw onto, and it's going to be able to transmit its signal back to the screen inside of the vehicle. There's a USB-C charging outlet, and then the power button, and the USB-C charging cord is included. There's a few screws to install the mounting plates, and then a few screws here to mount this to the plate as well. So all the hardware is really included.